Before you make a purchase, make sure you fully understand the product's features and specifications. This will help ensure that it meets your needs and expectations, reducing the likelihood of returns. What is the myQ Smart Garage Video Keypad Power Adapter? The power adapter replaces the battery in your myQ Smart Garage Video Keypad, ensuring you never have to worry about low battery voltage again. By connecting the power adapter to an external 5-volt DC, 2-amp power supply, also known as wall adapter, your keypad will remain powered indefinitely. With this adapter and a compatible 5-volt DC power supply, not included, you can say goodbye to the hassle of constantly recharging the battery in your myQ Smart Garage Video Keypad. Please note that additional wiring and modifications are required. You may need to contact a local electrician to help you properly wire this unit. For more information about Power Adapter, visit our website at jtp3d.com and feel free to reach out to us with any questions you may have before making a purchase.